Hey guys, and welcome to the Weeb Lounge. I am Nick, and well, this is this week's little update for some rigs and stuff that I'm building for my mine and stuff. Oh man, okay, got this thing going now, and just got this one built not long ago. It's just sitting up in my kitchen table. Actually, I need to kind of move it when I get a chance. And yeah, I actually have two more of these rigs that are going to be put together here soon, but got this one up and mining everything because I got a couple of cards in, and yeah, if the card's not mining, it's not doing nothing. And even though both those cards look the same, the one on the right is actually a 3090. The one over here is a 3080. And oddly enough, the 3090 I'm getting better efficiency out of than this one. Maybe I got to tweak it a little bit, but yeah, it's like I found a pretty decent deal online and basically got a 3090 and a power supply for retail. And you know, with the prices and everything, not right now, if you can get it at retail, get it at retail, man. But 1600 watt Hercules power supply is the one that I got along with it, and it works pretty good. And it's doing its thing, but the motherboard might be a little overkill. It's an EVGA Dark X299, and that's a really high-end, expensive motherboard, and that's what actually came out of my old rig. That and like the 14-core Intel processor sitting there. It's completely unnecessary, but I ain't got nothing else to do with those, so you know, save me some costs on other motherboards or whatever and slap it in there. Doing the regular old SSD and stuff, and got a whole bunch of little LED fans there that I'm actually going to replace with other LED fans, because I'm actually going to try doing something that most mining people don't do, and that's to try to be a little more on the fancy side. You know, just pretty it up a little, you know, the stupid crap like that, right? It's the Weeb Lounge. I want things to be more weebish, geekish, nerdish, the whole thing, right? That's the whole goal of this. But right now, because I don't have any place else to put it right now, it's just kind of mining away on the kitchen table. And hopefully, maybe tomorrow night, we'll see, I'll be able to move it downstairs. But speaking of which, let's go ahead and head down there. All right, now, I got the same three rigs going. Nothing new in that regards, but this guy. This is a stupid good AC unit. 240 volt, just I can't even remember the BTUs on it, but I know that for the square footage we got in here, this thing is way overkill. But you know, that's what you're probably going to need if you're going to be generating a ridiculous amount of heat, right? That will barely fit into that window, so we'll get there. You might notice I got like a towel tucked around there because it's been raining and stuff, and by doing that, usually I can get it to stay up like there, but not so much right now. But the AC will be in there, won't have to worry about that. Did get a little work done over here though, and got one of the big old freaking fans in, and I'm sure you guys can hear it. That's on low. It's had the frame built, got the fan put in, and that thing on its own is pulling a lot of air. I feel a breeze right now coming from that window over there. So it's pulling air, it's doing its job really well, and I think it might actually be overkill what I'm doing, because I got one there and I'm going to put a second one here. So I'm starting to think maybe I don't need to do that, but you know what? The goal is to keep this place icy. That's the whole goal, because there's going to be a lot of stuff down here, and you know, if I can keep it nice and icy or whatever. And it's chilly down here too. I'm in a t-shirt and shorts, and it is just chilly as hell coming through that. It's like 50 degrees outside, and it's probably not much more than that right now in here. Well, yeah, that's the little update for the week here. Got to get that rig down here, get the other one installed, and still need to get the electrical done. There was a delay on some of the supplies. Need more breakers and stuff, and yeah, this box is probably going to be pretty much full by the time everything's done. Oh man. But if you're going to do it right, right? Give me a like, give me a share, subscribe if you like. It's I'm going to try making this a weekly thing as long as I have progression and other things to do and little bits of news and everything. Just one time a week. got to keep my other Weave stuff going. And the Princess Connect videos, Blue Archive. If you don't play Blue Archive, I've said it again, time and time again on the stream, play it. It's a fun game. I like it. Oh, and if you guys have any ideas for some other videos to do, I'm all ears. Go ahead and comment down below. And if you have any ideas for what I got going installing here, if I'm doing it right, going stupid, or just plain stupid, tell me that too. Why not? Until then, we'll see you in the next video.